First April, any first week of the April.
Okay. Third April.
Third April. Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship.
Uh,
With the consent of other side, my lord, I beg to mention item number 21 of today's list, my lord. It may be taken up, my lord, after my lord view vacation, my lord. I have taken consent, my lord.
You have for it?
I am for the petitioner, my lord.
Okay, when do you want?
After vacation, my lord, view
Your
vacation.
good name?
R. Sharma, my lord.
On request made by R. Sharma, then counsel for the petitioner. This on 24th April.
Obliged.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 27 and 34, Lordship.
20?
7 and 34.
Okay, what is there?
Kindly adjourn the matter for the day, Lordship. I have taken the consent of the other side.
You are appearing for?
I'm appearing on behalf of M. Kotoki, Veterinary Department, Lordship.
Have you informed Chetri?
Lordship,
You have informed him?
Lordship.
Yes. On request made by
M. Burman.
M. Barman, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr.
M. Kotoki, Miss M. Kotoki.
M. Katagil and Standing Counsel and Husbandry and Veterinary Department. When do you want?
After 2 weeks, Lordship.
List after 2 weeks, same order. In item number 34.
34, Lordship. Okay.
May I please, Your Lord?
Uh.
Also, I beg to mention for listing of two cases, Lordship, one contempt petition and another writ petition. Any date, Lordship, convenient.
Okay. 8 April.
Like
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention one writ petition, Lordship, for listing that. For formation, like.
Same, 8 April.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 7, Your Lordship.
Item 7,
Seven,
motion matter.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes. why?
In this matter, Your Lordship, last occasion, Department of Irrigation, Your Lordship, have produced one judgment, Your Lordship, on the basis of which my claim has been rejected. So I need some time, Your Lordship, to go through. A week's time may be granted.
On request made by Mr. M. K.
K. Mira, Your Lordship.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner, list after 1.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
May I please, I beg to mention for listing, my lord, on 5th of April.
Oh. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention for withdrawal.
When?
Lordship,
When do you want?
any date.
Okay. Please vote. 20 March.
May I please, Your Lordship, Lordship, I beg to mention of listing of a writ on Friday, Lordship.
Why Friday? We'll have it on 27th.
Okay, Lordship, much obliged.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention an item for listing of a matter of a writ petition, Your Lordship. Lordship, may be taken this matter tomorrow,
What?
motion matter. Lordship, this is a transfer matter of a government employee. He is going to be transferred, Lordship, just the next month only.
So, not necessarily tomorrow.
Lordship, as a senior is not going to be there this week, there is an urgency, Lordship. Lordship, may hear it tomorrow.
Wednesday. 20.
Lordship, senior won't be there. Lordship, may tomorrow take this matter.
Okay.
I'm praying for listing of a writ petition for admission, Lordship. Any day, Lordship, please just.
8 April.
Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship, with due consent from the petitioner side, I beg to mention item number 23, Lordship. Engaged counsel, Mr. D. Nandi is suffering.
Who's suffering?
Mr. D. Nandi, counsel for the respondent number 4.
Who appears for petitioner?
J. Paturi, I have already informed Paturi, sir, Lordship.
Okay. Item 23 on request made on behalf of Mr. D. Nandi, Learned Counsel for respond number.
4, Lordship.
4.
Respondent number 4.
Respondent number 4. When do you want?
Day after tomorrow, Lordship.
No, after 1 week.
Any date, Lordship.
After 1 week. Yes.
Obliged.
May I please, Lord? My lord, I beg to mention this matter for listing, my lord. Notice was already issued, my lord, on the last month on January, my lord. But till date, matter is not listed, my lord. Very urgency because the establishment of an Angonieri center in a different place. Because
8 April.
my lord, kindly, my lord,
8 April. Yes. Next.
Please, Your Lordship.
Oh.
My lord, I'm praying for
I'm praying for listing as promotion matter, my lord. It was last listed on 12/5/23, my lord.
Oh,
My lord, it may be listed on admission column.
22nd,
22nd
22nd,
obliged.
22nd of April.
April.
Oh.
May it please your lordship, I beg to pray for listing this matter, your lordship. Lordship, the matter is pension matter and it was to be listed today.
Oh, not listed.
Sorry. Lordship, may it be on Wednesday, your lordship.
27th.
Lordship, it is a pension matter.
That's right, 27th of March. Next week.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention two matters for listing. Lordship, in the admission column. Lordship, one matter is the matter was last listed on 11/2/2020. Lordship.
Okay. 18th of April.
18th of April.
Yes, both cases.
Huh?
Yeah,
Both. And then another matter is lordship.
same date.
Okay. Hello, lordship.
Item 1 of daily list.
Yeah, my lord, so far written argument is concerned, it is ready. But after going through it, I have found a lot of typographical error. So my lord, can you lordship, I will file it on day after tomorrow.
On request by the Senior Council for the list. You want it day after tomorrow?
Day after.
Thank you.
Obliged.
Item 2, motion. Two.
None appears for petition. We'll stop the one.
3.
My pleasure, lordship. My lord, this case non-compliance of the order, my lord, operative part at page 20, my lord, 20 and 21.
Yes.
Most specifically, my lord, 21, my lord, direction was given to subcopy within 10 days and within 60 days, my lord, they had to pass the speaking order. Accordingly, my lord, I have submitted the individual representation that your lordship will see next page 22, column, my lord.
60 days.
60 days. In time, my lord, on the 5th, 9, we have filed our individual representations that your lordship will see at page 20.
How many petitioners?
Here, my lord, 11 petitioners who are the writ petitioner initial.
All 11 of you made your representation?
Yes, my lord.
Oh,
All.
on the same day?
Same date, same, my lord.
Third, yeah, Marguerite and the council for the petition. You know this. Petitioners to take steps for service of notice on the sole respondent by registered post ID to law. This after 6 weeks.
Lord, can it be 4 weeks, my lord, without salary, anything, man? Instead of 6 weeks, 4 weeks. Obliged, my lord.
4.
Yes.
Lordship, this contempt is for non-compliance of the order dated 23/2/2024.
Where is the order?
Operative part is at page 11, your lordship. Lordship has directed to submit the petitioner to submit representation, your lordship. And within 7 days from the date of the order, and same is to be complied within two weeks, your lordship. Thereafter, petitioner submitted representation on 26 February, your lordship. Page 12, your lordship. Lordship also directed to maintain the status quo, your lordship, but in violation of this order, your lordship, block development officer, your lordship, is attaching the duties to another person.
When did you make your representation?
26 February, your lordship. 26 February, Your Lordship. Page 12, Your Lordship.
Okay, heard Mr.
K. Mira, Your Lordship.
Cameron, then it also for petitioner issue notice. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the sole respondent by registered proceeding with the one.
I may be allowed to take the Dusty also, Your Lordship.
Additionally, petitioner is also directly permitted to take impose service of notice on the sole respondent by Dusty service. With the registry of this court within a period of 1 week.
1 week.
After petitioner shall file an affidavit. To that effect. This after 4 weeks.
Much obliged.
5.
Non-compliance of the order dated 21/12/2022, my lord. Page 8, my lord. Authority person in page 16, my lord. Pair number 17.
Page 8.
Authority person in page 16, my lord. Paragraph 17.
When was the order passed?
My lord, 21/12/2022, my lord. In the meantime, petitioner filed an lead appeal, my lord. That lead appeal was closed, my lord, by order dated 15/2/2024, page number 21, my lord.
Okay, heard Mr.
K. Kolita.
Kalita, then also for petitioner issue notice. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the respondents by registered postal within 1 week.
Obliged.
Just after 4 weeks.
May it please your lordship, this writ petition pertaining to appointment of Gaon Pradhan, my lord. The petitioner was not selected. My lord, respondent number 5 is selected in the Gaon petition. But here is some criteria he is not fulfilled. According to that, my lord, we have filed an RTI, but that RTI also not replied to us. In that state, my lord, let the record may be called for.
What criteria?
My lord, criteria is annexure C, page 18, my lord. That
You file your appeal?
No, my lord, because we have not filed, because it will take another some time. That is why we are approaching this court.
How will it take some time?
My lord, because RTI.
There's a provision already.
Yes,
under
yes, my lord.
162C.
Yes, yes, my.
So you file an appeal under 162C.
Otherwise, it is barred by limitation. Appeal has to be filed within 60 days from the publication of the select list. This select list was published
When?
19/9/2022. Lordship. Now we are in 2024.
So the private respondent is functioning as gone bad.
No, my lord, till date he is not functioning. That is why we are. But he is selected, but he appointment, as per our information, appointment order is not provided. So in that matter, my lord, let the record may be called for a
Selection
very
was
short.
already made, Lordship. Selection was already made, Lordship, as per the
Yes, selection.
WPC, Lordship.
Where's the select list? Where's the select list?
My lord,
Annexure, Lordship.
annexure
D, Lordship.
D, my lord, page 24. And his 36 is the
Page?
page 26. 24 is the relevant annexure D, the select list.
Serial number?
Serial number 36, page 26. my lord. So in this case, Madam Bhupendra Ka having no any movable property. This is the qualification is right, my lord.
Where's the criteria?
Criteria is page, Page 18, my lord, annexure C. Then the respondent number 5 also belongs from the district Congress committee, my lord. That is also disqualified him to.
Yes.
All are questions of facts, lordship.
Not facts, my lord, this is a record, my lord. If they are filing, the respondent have submitted the land records and everything, that will be.
Better he will-
Let the record may be called for in the meantime, my lord, everything will be.
Better he will withdraw the petition and prepare an appeal before the appropriate authority with a condolence petition that they will look into. Better.
My lord, that.
You do that.
My lord, that is enough, but in this regard, my lord, if he is appointed.
There's already a provision under 162C. So why not you prefer an appeal there?
So that liberty may be granted, my lord, for the condemnation with condemnation that.
So you have to withdraw this with liberty.
With liberty to file the appeal and condone the delay, and thereafter if, some protection may be given. So otherwise, my lord, if he is if he is
I'm not
already
giving you any
selected.
protection.
No, he is already been selected.
Even if I dispose this order, I'm not giving you any protection. I'll dispose of saying that you file an appeal before the appellate authority.
Appropriate authority.
So it's up to you. You want to withdraw this and file an appeal with continuation application? That's a different thing.
Okay.
Okay, Mr.
NC Das, on behalf of SK Sinha, my lord.
N.C. Das, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. S.K. Sinha. Learned Counsel for the petitioner, press for withdrawal of this petitioner. With liberty to approach the
Appellate authority.
Appellate
Directorate of Land Records and Survey.
appellate authority, i.e. Director of Land Records and Service, Assam.
And my appeal may be considered as soon as possible, your lordship, but because.
You're withdrawing, what type of order can I pass? Mr. S. Datta, Learned Standing Council Revenue. Your revenue,
Revenue Department.
revenue appears for respondent number
That's number 2, lordship.
2 and 3. Two.
two. Mr.
A Chakraborty for respondent 1, 3 and 4.
A. Chakraborty for respondents 1,
3 and 4.
3 and 4. Writ petition is dismissed on withdrawal with liberty as well.
Macho.
8,
Please, your lordship. In the last occasion, instructions were sought from the respondents.
Last question, forest was. Get the instruction, you know.
Yes.
Lordship, we are awaiting instructions, but Lordship kindly produce the last page of the petition, page 145, your Lordship.
Page
45. The conservator of forest made a communication to the petitioner to submit or information for onward submission for
So
a
you
DLC.
get the
Lordship.
instructions.
She had to get that whether she has submitted to us or
Whether the
not, your Lordship.
petitioner has submitted or not.
Lordship, we have submitted our document.
If they have submitted, Lordship,
Kindly come to page number 10, point number 10. Last fourth line. However, as directed, the petitioner has submitted the necessary information in prescribed format immediately as directed. But till date, the case of the petitioner has not been placed before the respondent number 4 for its consideration.
but they have not annexed the information whether they submitted or not. Whether I'll take the instruction, Lordship.
But Mr. MS.
You, Nanda.
You, Nanda, Learned Counsel for the petition. On request made by Mr.
R.R. Gogoi,
R. Gogoi, Learned Standing Counsel.
Forest Department, respondent number 1, 3, 5,
How
and
much
6.
time do you require?
Lordship,
How much time? 1 week?
1 week, Lordship.
Another
Okay.
1 week time is allowed to enable him to receive instructions. Let's on. Date was 18. First April.
Obliged, Lordship.
Much obliged.
9,
Your lordship, this matter may pass on for the time being, lordship.
This notice has been already issued.
Yes, your lordship.
Notice already issued, my lord, they should not have come in the motion column, my lord.
So regarding my lord, I am appearing on behalf of the respondent number 2. We have yet to receive any instruction, my lord. So, my lord.
So petitioner is concerned minus till 6/3/2024, no extra copy is served. So let it be after 4 weeks, madam.
Your lordship, it will be infractions in the meantime, your lordship. It will,
So he's
The
not
last-
selected candidate, how it will be factor?
yes, obviously. If the appointment is done, your lordship, it will be infractions on the last date, actually, instruction of the, sought for.
My lord, your lordship kindly see, my lord, his pair. His pair is that his name should be recommended. His pair is not should be recommended. Already 4 persons, 8 persons were recommended, appointment were made.
Appointment not made yet. No, one. Your lordship, appointment not made yet.
Government can say by whether appointment were made or not, my lord. His case is that, my lord, my case should be recommended. My lord, as a matter of right, it cannot be claimed that my lord is a matter of right.
Yes, actually, your lordship, as per the rule of the notary act, your lordship, as per section 1.
Because
6(1).
after interact, my lord, 8 persons were recommended.
May I read your
He's
lordship?
also appear in the recommended, appear in the my interaction.
Your lordship, may I read this rule, your lordship? Section 6(1), your lordship, of the notary act, notary rule, your lordship.
Let it come out after 2 weeks.
Yes,
You should- he will serve a.
So your lordship, in the meantime, a status will be given.
No, no,
Their
no,
name is
no,
already
no interim
recommended,
order.
your lordship.
What, Mr.?
Yes, your lordship.
Huh?
Yes, Roy.
Yes, Royal and the council for the petition.
Date may be given, your lordship.
On the
Otherwise,
first
it will.
met by Mr. T.C. Chudial and it's standing, additional senior governor should be. List the matter again on, when do you want?
Next week, your lordship, may, in detail.
No, let it to 2 weeks, my lord, he has not served in
So in
extra
the meantime, your lordship, status will be maintained, your lordship. They are not.
No interim, my lord. On 3rd April. My lord? 3rd of April. 3rd of April. To enable him to this.
Name of the standing council high court had been shown. There is no minority, no ST.
Registration of the direction to reflect the name of the standing council high court.
Your lordship,
Guwahati High Court in the cost.
finally little earlier, otherwise it will be infractions, your lordship.
Not infractions, now
Yes, no, my lord.
MCC is the.
Yes, he will provide extra copy, my lord, otherwise
You
I will.
provide extra copy, you have not provided extra copy. That's the reason why nobody is getting instruction.
On the last day, they appear on lordship, we have given your lordship.
No extra copy, my lord.
Then.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, kindly finish the last order of this honorable court, Lordship. Instruction was sought for regarding the reason, Lordship, for extension of suspension. That is the impugn order, Lordship, page 26. Without assigning any reason, Lordship, the suspension has been extended.
Page,
Page 26 is the impugn order.
is 26.
In fact, Lordship, the division bench judgment in Jakibuddin case, your Lordship is aware that even if a charge sheet is filed or memorandum of charges is furnished, then if the extension, suspension is required for further period of time, a reason must be given in the order.
Yes, Chetya, any instructions?
No instruction, my lord. I have sent a letter, my lord, to 1st March. See, today I have to receive an instruction, my lord. So the page 26 is concerns, my lord. But there is a mention, my lord, the continuation of the office letter dated 7 November 2023. The suspension of Sri so land record is
7/11/2023 is the suspension order, first suspension order.
Yes.
continued completion of departmental proceeding. Initial against, but there is a reason, departmental proceeding is going to be developed.
No, that's not the reason. You take instructions and come back,
Yes, sir.
otherwise we can dispose of.
Friday, my lord. Next Friday.
Next Friday,
Next Friday.
this Friday,
This Friday, my lord. Today is Monday.
Part M Khan and council from petition on request made by TCS UPL and additions. This the matter is on order.
22, Lordship.
22nd.
22, no?
Enable him to receive instructions.
Obliged.
11.
Bless.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. My lord, in this case, my lord, the petitioner has already been appointed, my lord. As for the appointment letter, my lord.
Those become instructions.
My lord.
Mr. S. Haq, and the council for the petitioner.
It is
Submits that during the pendency of this
order number 3.
the petitioner has already been appointed as Gaunbura or Gaun Pradhan.
Yes, my lord.
Gaun Pradhan of lot number 1.
Yes, my lord, lot number 1, number 4,
Number 4, Pura Bandha Revenue Village.
Purubandha Revenue Village,
Under Samugari Revenue Circle now go. Stop.
side order number 7, my lord. I have mentioned,
How can I understand?
my lord, just I have mentioned the order number below that. Bottom, my lord.
Stop. You are paying,
Lordship, I'm appearing for the circle officer.
and therefore the matter has become in fact.
I'm appearing for 2 and 3, Your Lordship. And for 1.
Mr. S. Dattan and Standing Council Revenue appears for respond number 1 and Mr.
CS Hazarika for
C.S. Hazarika and its government advocate for the respondents 2 and 3. Correct? Right, petition is accordingly disposed of as infractions.
Oblige, my lord.
12,
Wait, please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
May it please your lordship. Well, this matter relates to appointment of Gambura in Dimasa districts, my lord. Well, in Dimasa district, my lord, the provision of 162, my lord, that is not applicable, my lord. The village committee, who are the persons, my lord, who selects the Gambura. The village committee, my lord, page 17. In the village,
Yes, any instructions?
Lordship, I have received some instructions. Some time may be granted, Lordship, to file our affidavit. Lordship. They can file the affidavit, my lord. In the meantime, my lord, the impugn order may be stayed because, my lord,
I've said status quo earlier.
Status quo is already there.
So
that may be stayed, my lord. It is creating problem, my lord. I have not handed over the charge.
So
After-
you have not handed over judgment means status quo, you are protected.
Yes, my lord, but my lord, that may be, my lord, Lordship may clarify that portion. Because, my
How
lord,
do you expect this court to clarify its own order?
no, my lord, what I am saying, my lord, that the private respondent, my lord, he is misinterpreting the order, my lord. He is now, my lord, trying to, my lord, issue NOC to the, my lord, villagers, my lord, for getting the, my lord, compensation of highway acquired lands, my lord. After, my lord, getting the status quo order. That is the thing, my lord. I have not handed over the charge. I was holding the charge, my lord. That is why, my lord, I am praying for a stay. That will not create any problem, my lord.
But I cycle and come to the petition.
They can prepare an appeal because
None.
the in a notification it is stated that an appeal against the appointment, suspension and dismissal of Gaon Pradhan by the district commissioner or by the principal secretary of the autonomous council area. There belongs to the autonomous council areas.
This is not a regular
Shall
appointment.
lie in director the DLR, sorry, Director of Land Acquisition Service within a period of 60 days from the receipt of the selected list.
They have not followed the notification, my lord, while I was replaced, while I was appointed. I was appointed by the village committee, my lord. I was selected. My lord, I have been replaced. Lordship will find the order, my appointment, Lordship will find at page 19.
That I've seen.
Page 19. On resignation of the private respondent, I was appointed.
Then how can a petition will be liable, Lordship, if it is
My lord, after at page 21, my lord, without issuing any notice, in case of without issuing any notice, my lord, my appointment has been cancelled and the private respondent has been reappointed in my place. That
You
cannot be
take
done.
instructions and come back. But I cycle and come to the petition. Mr.
Chi Sharma.
Chi Sharma, Leonard Standing Council, NC Hills,
Yes, Doctor.
Autonomous Council shall receive instructions. Praise for how much time?
Take 2 weeks.
Praise for another 2 weeks time to enable him to receive instructions. Stop. Praise a lot, please turn on. First April.
In the meantime, my lord, this order may be stayed, my lord. The impugn order at page 21, my lord.
already there is status quo.
This is status quo the psyche.
Yes,
I
my lord,
don't understand
that
you.
it is, my lord, being misinterpreted by the.
Who is
private-
misinterpreting?
If it is
The
Then
private
you file a contempt.
yes, Lordship.
Status quo order First, ready to continue till the next session.
Oblige, my lord.
14.
Now, please allow. My lord, this case relates to the promotion from ACF to DCF.
You filed your application.
Yes, my lord. I have filed my IA for amendment, my lord, and cost title will file now only, my lord, in the registry. So matter bill after allowing my amendment, my lord, lordship fix the matter for motion on 8. On Friday, sorry.
Heard in the I heard Mr. Jai Barbarel and the call for the application. By this application, the applicants
No, amendment.
are praying for improvement of the opposite parties 1 to 5 as party respondents 6 to 10. Opposite party 1 to 5, namely, then on page 388 as party respondents 6 to 10. In WBC number 1375 of 2024. So, any objections?
No, no.
Mr.
R.R. Google,
R.R. Google and Standing Council
Forest Department.
Forest
Under
Department has no objections. This court has also considered the cause shown in the present application and is satisfied. Accordingly, the claim for imprisonment is allowed. I is disposed. In the main petition in view of the order passed today and so and so, let's so and so be imprisoned as party respondents. 6 to 10 in the present. Stop. Petitioners are directed to file an amended post that on or before
Today itself, man.
21st of March 2021. After 24. List the matter on 22nd.
On Friday, my lord, for motion.
22nd is what day?
Oh, lordship, I have not seen, my lord.
Oblige, Lord.
Yes, yes, correct.
14.
Well, this matter pertains to non-payment of my leave encashment benefits for the entire period of 180 days. Rather, they chose to
You
pay me.
retired?
No, I have resigned from the service
You
through proper
resigned
channel.
from-
Yes, for the purpose of absorption in another central government company. And I'm basically agreed by an order dated 1/8/2023, which your lordship will find at page 42. The department has took a resolution by which they invoke Rule 39(6)(a)(2) of Central Services Leave Rules 1972, whereby they have resolved to pay me 50% of the leave encashment benefit and not for the entire period. But my case is entirely squarely covered by Rule 39D of the Central Services Leave Rules 1972, where it is clear that when an employee resigns from the service through proper channel for the purpose of absorption in any other central government undertakings or company, then the entire period will be taken for will be
What's the
considered.
rule? Pension rules.
Central Services Leave Rules 1972 is available in the CCS service rules.
Rule
39D.
thirty-nine.
D of the Central Services Leave Rules 1972. The lordship has got. It says a government servant who has been permitted to be absorbed in a service or post in or under a corporation or company wholly or substantially owned or controlled by the central government of state government or under a body control or financed by one or more than such government shall be granted suo motu by the authority competent to grant leave encashment equivalent of leave salary in respect of earned leave at his credit on the date of absorption, subject to a maximum of 240 days. These will be calculated in the same manner as indicated in clause B of sub-rule 2 of Rule 39. The note says the expression permanent absorption used in 39D shall mean the appointment of a government servant in a public sector undertaking or in an autonomous body for which he had applied through proper channel and resigns from the government service to take up their
Who
appointment.
appears for the other side?
It's a department,
You'll have to take,
yes,
heard Mr.
as Biswas.
S. Biswas, Learned Counsel for the petition. Issue notice. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on all the respondents by registered post within 1 week.
Yes.
List after all this.
Obliged.
15,
Similar matter, your lordship has issued notice. I also pray because question involved is whether the petitioner is entitled to be promoted to the post of section assistant.
Heard Mr. P.P. Das, Learned Counsel, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr.
J. Lotha.
J. Lotha, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Issue notice. MSMD
Bora,
Bora, Learned,
124, my lord. Standing Council Transport,
Learned Standing Council,
Transport Department,
Transport Department appears for respondents,
124.
4. Finance,
RM Bora, your lordship.
MS RM Bora, Learned Standing Council.
Mr. H. Arya, your lordship.
Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. H. Alia, Learned Standing Counsel Finance Department appears for respond number 5. Notice on respondents are complete. However, extra copies were furnished. So and so. Respondents are notified of that. List of-
It can come, my lord, along with the other day only the petition was moved. WPC 1184 2024.
This the matter of for which along with WBC number
1184
2024.
22.
118.
Obliged, my lord.
16,
Wait, this is Worship. But with regard to appointment of Gaon Pradhan, my lord, there are two notifications, my lord. One is at starts at page number 18, my lord. Page number 18, it's a notification dated 10/4/2018, my lord. And the relevant portion, my lord, is at page number 19. If your lordship kindly turns to page number 19, my lord. On the top, the Deputy Commissioner, Principal Secretary of the Autonomous Council area shall appoint Gaon Pradas from the person having. So, serial number 5, it says, my lord, preference shall be given to the family members of the Gaon Pradas and views of the Mozadar shall be taken into consideration. And serial number 8, it says, my lord, he or she should not be a member of any political party. Now, my lord, there's another notification which your lordship will find at page 23, my lord. Page 23, notification dated 1/2/2024. And it says about 162C, my lord, the appellate authority is lies with the director of the land record and surveys. Now, my lord, there was a advertisement which your lordship will find at page 25, my lord. Page 25, this is a notice which was issued for, my lord, filling up of 101 post of Gaon Pradhan in Nalbari district. Here also, if your lordship sees, my lord, page number 25, notice dated 26/5/2022 at the bottom, serial number 8, it says, my lord, the applicant should not be a member of a registered political party. Page number 25, my lord, at the bottom, serial number 8. And if your lordship kindly turns to the next page, page 26, serial number 12, my lord, it says same thing, my lord. Candidates from the family of Gaon Pradhan will be given priority and opinion from the Mozadar will be considered. Now, my lord, despite such, my lord, the private respondent number 4 was selected on the basis of political considerations and my candidature was not given any priority, my lord. That is my specific case. In fact, the opinion of the Mozadar is at page number 30. It is in my favor. And my lord, I have also submitted an appeal before the appellate authority. In similar cases, my lord, your lordship has granted relief. In fact, your lordship's own order at page number 46, my lord. And page number 48 is the relevant portion. Your lordship had remanded back to the appellate authority and your lordship had, at paragraph 5, your lordship had said, my lord, that it is provided that the private respondent, namely so-and-so, if not appointed, no appointment order shall be issued. And, my lord, another coordinate bench of this honorable court, another coordinate bench of this honorable court, my lord, this order starts at page number 49 and relevant portion is at page 51, my lord. Page 51, my lord.
Yes.
Paragraph 7.
So have you filed your appeal?
I filed my appeal. That appeal is at page number 52, my lord. But all I'm praying, my lord, it may be disposed of in a time-bound manner, my lord, and some protection may be given.
Within 1 week, my lord, appeal will be disposed of, till that. He says, my lord, it will require 4 weeks time, my lord, more than 4 weeks time.
How do you know that it will be disposed of in 1 week?
No,
No.
difficult, Lordship. Appeals are pending.
So 4 weeks, so notice may go, my lord, it is a notice may go, my lord. Huh?
60 days.
He wants 60 days. Let it be disposed of in 60 days until time, my lord.
No, he filed his appeal when?
My lord, I filed this appeal on, my lord, 11/3/2024, my lord.
Why are you coming?
My lord, because in the, if your lordship sees the notification for the appellate authority at page 23, there is no time-bound manner, my lord.
Why not?
Page number 23, my lord. If your lordship sees, my lord, page number 123, amendment of section 162C. 162C, my lord, it says, an appeal against the order of appointment, suspension and dismissal of Gaon Pradhan by the district commissioner or by the principal secretary shall lie to the director of the land records within a period of 60 days from the date of receipt of the copy of the order of appointment, suspension or dismissal as the case may be by the applicant. The director of land record survey may hear the appeal following the due process and give necessary order. So there is no time limit, my lord. And in the meantime, they might issue the appointment order, my lord. That is why you had to come, my lord. So that is all I'm
My
saying.
lord, notice may issue, subject to result of the depreciation ballot. So it is a.
I'll dispose of this matter. What's the point of it?
Yes, yes, notice may dispose of it.
But Mr. A.K. Barwa, Learned Counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. S. Datta, Learned Standing Counsel Revenue for the response number 1.
1 and 2.
1 and 2. And Mr. T.C. Shutte.
I am for 3, my lord.
Therefore, the respond, Learned Additional Senior Governor for response number 2. Stop. Para. Where is that advertisement?
My lord, that advertisement is at, my lord, page number 25, my lord. Page number 25. Notice dated, my lord, 26/5/2022, my lord.
Pursuant to notice dated 26/5/2022. Issued by the Deputy Commissioner, District Commissioner,
District Commissioner, Nalbari.
Command Nalbari. For appointment of 101. Vacant post of Gaon Pradhan. Under the revenue circles of Nalbari district. The petitioner, where's the application?
My lord, I have applied, my calling letter is at page 28, my lord. Page number 28 is my calling letter.
Applied for the vacant post of Gaon Pradhan of Barkuria.
Barkuria, part 2.
Barkuria, part 2, number
Sonkuriha village.
Sonkuriha village under Barbak Revenue Circle. Stop. The petitioner drafted. Where's the select list?
Select list, my lord, it is at, my lord, page number 35, my lord. Page 35, my lord.
The ADC within bracket Gaon Pradhan, Nalbari.
Select list dated 9/2/2020.
Issued the results on 9/2/2024. Where is
And serial number 6, my lord.
the name of the private respondent number 4 was selected against Barkuria within bracket part number 2 Sonkariya. Stop. Being aggrieved, the petitioner filed an appeal before you filed an appeal before district commissioner.
My lord, before the director of land record, page 52, my lord. Page,
Filed an appeal
page 52, my lord.
before the
Appellate authority, my lord.
Director of Land Records and Survey, Assam, on 11/3/2024. Stop. Are you the son of an ex?
Yes, my lord. I have stated at paragraph 6, my lord.
Para.
My lord, my father.
It is a case of the petitioner
Paragraph 6 and 7, my lord.
that the petitioner
My father served as a Gaon Pradhan till 18.
that the petitioner's father served as Gaon Pradhan of Barkuria number 2. Barkuria number 2, Sonkuria. And therefore,
My lord, just one small correction. After my death of my father in 83, my paternal uncle served, my lord, till 31/3/2022. Paragraph 6 and 7, my lord.
that the petitioner's father
Till 83.
served as Gaon Pradhan of Barkuria number 2, Sonkuria, till his death in the year 1983. Thereafter, the uncle of the petitioner was appointed as Gaon Pradhan of Barkuria number 2, Sonkuria village in the year 1984 till 31/3/2022. So, the petitioner has also been given a certificate by the Mauzadar.
My lord, that is at page number 30, my lord.
That's why by the Mauzadar
Mozadar, my lord.
on 9/6/2022, which indicates that he was the son of late Matha Batkari, correct?
Correct, my lord. Madhav Padgiri, my lord.
Who was holding the office of Gaon Pradhan of Barkuria number 2, Sonkuria village till he expired in the year 1980. Para. The petitioner relies on clause 12 of the notice dated 26/5/2022, which provides that candidates from the family of Gaon Pradhan will be given priority. An opinion from the Mauzadar will be considered. The case of the petitioner is that as there's no time limit prescribed in the
My lord, in the notification dated, my lord,
in the
page 23, my lord.
notification dated 1/2/2024, by which the executive instructions under the Assam Land Revenue Regulation 1886 was published. What is it? By which the by which the amendment to the executive instructions under the Assam Land Revenue Regulations 1886 were published. But considering that the petitioner has made an appeal before the Director of Land Records and Service Assam under Executive Instructions 162-C of the Executive Instructions under the Assam Land Revenue Regulations, 1886, within bracket amendment 2024. District petition is disposed of, directing the Director of Land Records and Service Assam to consider the representation. To consider and dispose of the representation dated 11/3/2024 within a period of 30 days,
45 days.
within the period of 45 days from today. Stop. Land Council for the petitioner submits that till now, no appointment has been made by the respondents to the post of Gaunt Ratan of Barkuria within bracket part number 2, South Korea village under Upper Barbak Mauza, Barbak Revenue Circle till date. If the submission made by the Land Council for the petition is correct, the respondent authorities will not pass any orders appointing the respondent number.
54, my lord, private respondent
respondent
number 4. Private respondent. Private respondent number 4.
Don't say like that. Don't say that. Not been appointed till date. Stop. Recording the submission made by the Land Council. District petition, the respondents are directed that if the respondent number 4, i.e. Shri Vibha Bharatwaj is not appointed, is not appointed till date, no appointment order shall be issued till the appeal is disposed of by the applicant. So with the appointed of and directions.
Deeply obeyed. I'm deeply obeyed. Obliged.
17.
Lordship. Lordship, the petitioner was dismissed from service on the ground that he has been convicted under the section 498 of IPC, my lord. And impugn order, my lord, page number 26, my lord. And that conviction order has been set aside, my lord. That is the page number 38, my lord.
Yes.
Page number 38, my lord. Considering the fact the parties have amicably settled their dispute, this revision application is allowed. The judgment of conviction and order of sentence passed by the learned trial court, so affirmed by the learned appellant court, is hereby set aside, my lord.
Where is it? Where is it?
Page number 38, my lord. Yes, and then after my lord, I have served this order to the department through legal notice, my lord. But the department has not replied on the legal notice, but at this stage, I am praying for notice, my lord.
Who appears for the union?
Notice only, notice. Item number 7.
Heard Mr. V. Kumar. Then the council for application. Issue notice. Mr. UK Goswami. UK Goswami, then the TGC interest appearance and accepts notice on behalf of all respondents. Notice on respondents are complete. However, extra copies. Stop. Respondents are allowed to file affidavit. This up to 4 weeks.
Highly of your lordship.
18,
May I please, your lordship? Well, the petitioners are ANMs, my lord, all are retired, my lord. So their grievance is the refixation of initial pay in percentage of provisional pay rules 1990, my lord. I am praying for a similar order, my lord, page number 75. The order where the similarly situated person already proposed the honorable court. And the court had directed
In this writ petition, affidavit was filed.
on earlier said that affidavit was filed, but here is not.
Yes,
I will have to obtain instructions, Lordship.
Means, my lord, in this petition, some of the petitioners are appointed on the same date, on the same common order initially. So the order is here at page 79, my lord.
Lordship may dispose of the matter, but I will have to obtain instructions, Lordship.
Okay, let's see.
My lord.
Heard Mr.
MK Boro, my lord.
MK Borol and the council for the petitioner. You want notice to go or you want to take instructions?
I will take instruction.
MS,
Not. It's better to notice, Lordship.
you want notice?
Notice. Issue notice of motion. Lordship.
Okay, issue notice. MS.
D. Bora.
D. Bora.
For 1 and 3. Lordship.
Then standing council health department affairs for respondents, 1 and 3.
Yes, sir.
Finance,
2 finance.
MS, RM Barwa, then the council appearing on behalf of Mr. A. Chalian, then the standing council finance. Affairs for respondent number 2 and Mr. C. Barwa.
or accountant general.
Then the standing council accountant general affairs for respondent number 4, notice on respondents are complete. Respondents, Albert Simpson, extra copies. Respondents are to file affidavit, list up to 4 weeks.
Hello, bless.
May I please, your lordship? Well, matter pertains to my discipline, dismissal from service, my lord, followed by disciplinary proceeding.
Where's the order?
My lord, order is page number 50, my lord. Order of the disciplinary authority, my lord. Thereafter, I have filed appeal, my lord. Appeal is also dismissed, my lord.
Where's the appeal?
Appeal, my lord.
Appeal order.
My lord, appeal order is page number 50. Dismissal order.
Oh, is that the appeal? Yes, notice.
Notice, my lord.
Heard, Mr.
My lord, D. Gogol.
D. Google and council for petitioner issue notice. Mr. T.C. Chutia, additional senior government, enters absence and accepts notice.
All let us please.
On behalf of all respondents, according to notice and respondents are complete, however, extra copies. Respondents are allowed to file affidavit, list after 4 weeks.
My lord. High level.
20,
May I please, your lordship, my lord. Here, my lord, the petitioner got appointed as a laboratory technician, my lord. After going through all the selection process, my lord. My lord, after she joined, my lord, then the appointments were cancelled, my lord, without issuing any notice. And the taking order is at page number 51, my lord. page number 51. And my relevant portion is page number 53, pertaining to the petitioner, because it's a long order with many issues. Here, in the third paragraph, my lord, whereas a meeting of recruitment committee was convened on 21/8/23 at 3 p.m. and was attended by all the members of the recruitment committee. The committee in the meeting resolved that candidates who were provisionally issued appointment letters by the respective directorates and were not found to be eligible as per advertisement for the post for which they were selected are to be cancelled. Under the backdrop of the resolution taken by the recruitment committee on 21/8/23, the following candidates who were appointed under Directorate of Medical Education, Assam, are hereby cancelled. So, when petitioners is at serial number 9, my lord, next page. Well, here, as per the advertisement, my lord, required qualification is higher secondary with a diploma from a reputed organization. Now, the petitioner has done her this, my lord, diploma in medical laboratory technology from an institute in Guwahati called Oxford Paramedical Institute, which is registered under the Bharat Sevak Samaj. And Bharat Sevak Samaj is my lord, is an organization, my lord, which is under the formed under the my lord, it is under the what you call said it, my lord. Established in the year 1952 by the Planning Commission, Government of India, to ensure public cooperation, my lord. Para number 2, Mala, I mentioned it.
Yes.
So now they are in that order. Nothing has been said why my candidature cancelled. They said I'm not eligible. So that's why, my lord, since they are having doubts in my certificate, I have made this Bharat Sevak Samaj as well institute also a party.
Yes.
I'll obtain instructions. Notice.
Heard, Mr.
M.K. Boro, my lord.
M.K. Boro, and counsel to the petitioner, issue notice. MS.
D. Bora.
A. Bora, then B.
D. Bora.
D. Bora. Then the Stunting Council, Health Department. Appears for
1 to 6, 1 to 7.
1 to 7.
Yes, sir.
Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on respondents 8 and 9
8 and 9.
by registered post AD within 1 week.
Lord, may I have a small prayer, my lord, like regarding interim, my lord, pending disposal, my lord, they may be directed to give at least 1 post vacant, my lord. As per my instruction, my lord, there are 18 posts which have been cancelled. They have not filled up yet.
What did they say? Responses are not defined. List of the 4 weeks. In the interim. The respondents are directed to keep 1 post of
Laboratory technician, my lord.
laboratory technician. Under,
My lord,
where's the advertisement?
Guwahati Medical
Where's
College.
the advertisement?
Directorate of Health Services, my lord.
Page.
Page number, my lord. Page number 25, my lord. It's a consolidated advertisement, my lord, containing lots of directorates, my lord.
At least says not to issue any interim lordship. I'll obtain instructions.
To fill up 1 post of laboratory technician. Still the next.
High level, my lord.
22, admission.
Here I am appealing for a respondent. The pleadings has already been completed. But the matter is listed for losses at the stance of the petitioner. In the morning, the petitioner rang me and told that she is severely infected the seasonal flu, not able to attend the court. Though a request maybe and so on behalf of her, apprise the court that is the thing. So the
None
matter
appears for the petitioner. Mr. UK Goswami, then the CDC appears for the respondents. list after 2 weeks.
Highly of the
24.
Lordship, my learned friend is saying that he wants to pass over the matter. My prayer is to let it come on Wednesday, Your Lordship.
You're filing a response to the affidavit or not? You're not filing.
I don't know, my lord.
What do you mean by you don't know? Why are you standing? Are you filing response?
Pass over the time being, my lord.
Let it come Wednesday, that's why I also have some slight difficulty. Otherwise, as Your Lordship.
Okay, heard, Mr.
R.A. Paramanik,
Hmm?
on behalf of Mr. A.K. Burua.
Your good name?
Good name R.A. Paramanik.
Parabani.
R.A.
R.A. Parabani. Then the council appearing on behalf of Mr. A.K. Parva. then it- On request made by Mr.
See it.
C.S. Hazarika and the government advocate.
Lordship.
When do you want?
Any day, Your Lordship. Just
Published on 3rd April.
25.
My lord, no affidavit has been filed by the respondent.
It doesn't need an affidavit. There are two prayers of the petitioner. One prayer is that he is a casual worker, and in spite of the judgment in Uma Devi as well as Upen Das, he is still seeking for regularization of his service. He's a casual worker, my lord, the nature of his employment. And second prayer is my lord, he's seeking arrear salary. His arrears are payable since 2019 on. My lord, as far as the first prayer is concerned, he cannot be regularized as far as Upen Das is holding the field. And as far as the arrears are concerned, but the commissioner may be directed to verify what is the amount pending,
Yes, when you see area pending,
dispose of the same.
My lord, as per my senior's instruction, the affidavit has not been filed by the respondent.
he's saying he's not filing affidavit.
And I'm appearing on behalf of SNAT.
So what is your prayer now? We'll dispose of this matter.
I will.
Let her take instruction, be fixed some other day. He doesn't have the instruction.
On request made on behalf of Mr. A. Snut. Then the council for the petition, at least after 2 weeks.
26.
May praise the Lordship. Lordship, the issue here is Lordship. Departmental proceeding was initiated against me. Now there was a report of the preliminary report that nothing could be found against me. That your Lordship will find at page 38. We are primarily aggrieved by this Lordship, page 38. Lordship, your Lordship, in kindly see this third paragraph. Whereas the inquiry committee by letter dated so and so stated that conclusion could not be drawn from the available documents received from the office of the executive engineer so and so and decided that action will be initiated by the government as per the outcome of HCBPS case number so and so against the petition. Now, Lordship, in spite of this finding, Lordship, a departmental proceeding was initiated.
So we proceed with the department.
Lordship, they have proceeded. Lordship, 3 years have passed by. Last 2 occasions they have sought time that we
Yes.
will file report. Till date, no report
I
has
have
been
submitted
furnished.
my affidavit, my lord. Matter is pending before the state inquiry officer, my lord. So we cannot communicate.
No,
my
Lordship will
because
kindly see.
someone instructed me to, they have not made party as the state inquiry officer.
Your Lordship will kindly
They
see
are
the
not-
order dated 11/1/24. The learned council, standing council has submitted that DP is already concluded and they will submit the inquiry report. 11/1/24. And thereafter on 28 on the same ground time was taken that the inquiry report will be submitted. তেওঁ further গৈছিল কমপ্লিট হৈ গৈছে আমি ৰিপৰ্ট ফাৰ্নিছ কৰিছো 11/1/24 order to sub court of session.
Yes. Where's Ardha?
And my lord, he told me that he communicated today and
There's a
department.
clear standing and he has also produced some relevant documents on that day.
And
To show that,
My lord, documents not received just because it's pending in state inquiry office.
no. He submitted that proceedings are complete. An inquiry report will be submitted within 3 to 4 weeks. So this court granted 4 weeks time.
Then again on 18/28 he had again sought for time.
Then 2 weeks may be given. I will furnish the document. Record, I will collect the record.
No, reports is not the issue. Now the inquiry report, what do you have submitted the inquiry report?
Actually, the whole issue has cropped in therein because delaying the inquiry report, my benefits have been stopped.
My lord, 1 week may given, my lord, I will instruction you to receive, my
On behalf of Ardha.
my lord.
Okay, heard Mr.
A. Chakraborty.
Counsel for the petitioner. On request made on behalf of Ardha, then the additional senior
Hello.
coordinator.
M. Das, I am also standing counsel of PWD, my lord.
On request made by MS M Das. Then a standing counsel,
PWD,
PWD, is the matter after 1 week.
my lord.
Actually, a date may be fixed because this person is suffering.
Okay, this is the matter on 27th March.
Of life.
PWD.
28.
May it please, my lord. Matter pertains to compassionate appointment, my lord. My lord would kindly refer to the last order passed by this honorable court. My lord, instructions were called for if my case was placed before the district level committee, my lord, Lakhimpur.
I received instruction, my lord. As per my instruction, there is no record at all, my lord, regarding his working. Short instructions.
No records.
But my lord, I have given my representation, which my lord would find at page 28 of the petition, my lord. My representation is there, my lord. And that tantamounts to non-consideration of my representation. my lord. This is before the director of health department, my lord.
This is a representation. Where's your application?
My lord,
Where's your applications for appointment on commissioner's ground?
my lord, this one only, my lord.
How can this be? How can this be an application?
My lord, on page 30 also there is one, my lord. 30, my lord. At page 21, 28, I had made it before my parent department where my father was working, and at page 30, my lord.
Sutya, I think you better take proper instructions.
My lord.
Yes,
On the
sir.
basis of these two representations.
Yes, that can be. I will obtain regarding page 30, Deputy Commissioner. And regarding health, my lord,
What, Mr.
PR Sharma.
P.R. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the petitioner.
30, 20.
MS
Yes, sir.
S. Sharma, Learned Standing Counsel Health Department shall take instructions. with regard to the representation dated 30/11/2016 made by the petitioner and addressed to the Director Health Department, Assam. Within bracket, annexure 3 to the writ petition. Stop. Mr. T.C. Shetty, an additional senior government shall also take instructions with regard to the representation dated nil.
My lord,
Type copy nil in the next
My lord,
31 copy
14/12/2016.
14/12/2016. Met by the petitioner and addressed to the Deputy Commissioner, Lakhimpur District. Annexure,
My lord, annexure 4, my lord.
annexure 4 to the writ petition. Stop. Please, the matter again after.
Purush Balu.
Huh?
My lord, a
Four
date
weeks.
date may kindly be given.
Place the matter again on.
Date may kindly be given.
4 weeks is too long.
My lord,
My lord,
last year only I filed the.
now
petition.
election is started, my lord, they are busy, my lord. Always there, my lord.
My lord, but after, if
Uh,
the
4
whole
weeks is,
purpose
my lord,
of compassion
4 weeks
will
is,
get frustrated, my
sufficient
lord.
time, my lord.
22nd April.
22nd.
Highly obliged.
29th.
My lord, as per the last order, except respondent number 5, other respondent has not been filed your affidavit.
Lord, I'm appearing for respondent number 5. I've already filed UGC.
What about the other respondents? Who appears?
Lord, union is there. And
Yes. Where's UK Goswami?
Hmm.
basically regarding IASs, which will be based.
Union of India Pirates is only a formal party, actually not.
Yes, my lord, it is just a formal party. The main respondents are
Are you
respondents.
filing affidavit or not?
3 and 4.
If necessary, I think right now, at this moment, it may not be necessary. UK
How
Goswami
about-
is appearing in this case.
No, you are appearing on behalf of respondents?
Only one. I am as a
How about
proxy counsel for UK Goswami.
2, 3, and 4.
Notice has to go, Lordship.
Respondent number 2 and 4 as well. Respondent number 2 and 4. 2 to 4.
2 to 4 is the Institute of Advanced Study in Science.
He accepted notice on.
Yeah, Lordship appeals, so after a week, I'll ask him to appear. What is the section he has acquired.
But MS.
B. Bora,
B.
appearing
Bora,
on behalf of SNUT.
Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of SNUT, Learned Counsel for the petition. The respondent number 5 has filed affidavit and is represented by MS.
P. Agarwal.
P. Agarwal. Stop. On request made on behalf of Mr. UK Goswami, then it's CGC. Please the matter after 1 week.
Obliged.
30.
Lordship, I have sent my affidavit for vending, Lordship. It will be filed, Lordship, within a 2 days, Lordship.
My lord, what happened, my lord, last occasion, they have also taken time, my lord, date may be given short date, my lord. As part of,
So she has sent it this, it will be filed with this. Last occasion, she says she received instruction.
seeking time, having, taking 2 weeks time, no
Within 2
affidavit has
weeks,
been
we'll
filed.
file our affidavit, Lordship.
They will file 2 days, my lord, in the meantime, my lord, that
But
will be
Mr.
D. Borua.
Then the counsel for the petition. MS.
R. Bora, Lordship.
R. Boral, then the Standing Council Agriculture Department submits that affidavit in opposition will be filed within a period of 1 week from today. So in that view of the matter, this is the matter again on
4th of April, my lord.
8.
8.
Obliged.
Oblige, your lordship.
31.
May it please your lordship, my senior agent late kindly matter may be passed over for time being.
Very product. We have already filed affidavit for in this case.
Have you filed your rejoinder affidavit?
No, I think I have not received.
You have not filed.
I have to take instruction from my senior.
Where's your senior?
He's in Lake, sir.
After some time, let them come.
Oblige your lordship.
32.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. On last occasion also, the Central Government Council was directed to obtain instruction, Lordship.
Yes.
SSC selection, general analysis, overall selection. After some time, my lord, he said.
After, take it after some time.
No affidavit has come, nothing has come.
All Lordship may post next week, I will ask him to what appear. Mr.
But I-
Logo is appearing in this.
Not
book.
Architect Talukdar and the council for the petition. On request made on behalf of Mr. K. Gopal and
That may be fixed, my lord.
please the matter again on. 3rd April.
33.
Lordship, in this case, the draft counter affidavit has been sent for vetting, Lordship. So sometime is looked at, Lordship, 3 weeks time, Lordship.
Your lordship, 3 weeks is too much
He
because.
is enjoying interim
No,
order,
your
Lordship.
I'm not enjoying, I don't want to enjoy. Your lordship, what has happened here?
Then I have filed
The
a stay vacation,
petitioner-
that may be
The
taken.
petitioner, what has happened, the petitioner had applied for a particular post on absorption basis and he was selected. Thereafter, as per that particular absorption letter, he was supposed to get one of NOC from the parent department. They did not give the NOC. He approached your lordships and that particular writ petition was allowed. And he was directed to join that particular organization. Now, in terms of compliance of that particular writ petition order, they were supposed to issue the NOC. They issued the NOC, but they're not relieving him. Because after issuing the NOC, before issuing the NOC, what they did, they went totally opposite. They issued the memorandum of charges against the petitioner saying, why did you apply? He challenged this particular memorandum of charges by this present writ petition. And your lordships, after going through the whole documents on record, was pleased to stay the departmental proceedings. Now I am actually hanging balance because they are not relieving me to join this organization in compliance with this particular, and in that regard, a contempt is also pending. Contempt number 730 of 2023. There, the 730 of 23, it was listed, but on last week, but since your lordship did not take up that matter because it did not reach, it has not been listed. So may I pray that the contempt petition be listed along with this particular writ petition? Because
But Mr. D. Bora and then counsel for the petition. Mr. On request made by Mr. S. Chakravarti.
B. Chakravarti.
B. Chakravarti, then CGC. This the matter.
At least 3 weeks because he has to come, vetting has to come from Delhi, Lordship. That's why, Lordship.
lordship, last opportunity, your lordship.
This could not move on. On 18th April. Along with contempt case number
730 of 2023.
730 of 2000.
Highly obliged.
35.
Interim order may continue, your lordship.
Interim order passed earlier to continue to the next.
May I please, I am appearing on in behalf of SN Tamuli. I am for the respondent number, private respondent number 6, Lordship. Lordship, for which time maybe even for filing affidavit in opposition, Lordship.
I think, man, for each time for filing affidavit, it can be done in 2 days. It's a bit long.
As per the provision, Lordship, 162 2D, Lordship, there is a provision for a review the order of the appellate court.
Review is not alternate remedy, matter. It is been decided by the local matter. Review is not alternate remedy. It is the second appeal I
Okay,
filed.
heard Mr. R.B. Sharma, the senior counsel, assisted by MS.
A Dekar.
A. Dekar and counsel for the petition.
Done.
On request made on
Review is
behalf
not
of
alternate
Mr.
SN Tamuli.
S.N. Tamuli. Then counsel for the respondent number 6. 2 weeks.
Yes.
2 weeks time is allowed to file contract.
Oblige.
Please stop the 2 weeks.
50 of supplementary list admission.
May it please, your lordship. My lord, in this matter, my lord, the petitioner, my lord, have not received his salary since 1996. Later, my lord, in the year 2008, the Employees Association has approached the Honorable Court. Accordingly, my lord, ultimately the PSU has closed, and accordingly, some VRS benefit has been given to the petitioners. Later, my lord, the petitioner came to know he has been given the benefit as per the salary structure which was existed in accordance with the Central Wage Board 3, which was existing at that since the 1988 to 1992 for 5 years, my lord. Later, no any Central Wage Board has been constituted, my lord. The state government had to formulate the salary structure, but the government of Assam has provided the VRS benefit, my lord, in the year 2010 in accordance with the salary structure given in the year 1988, my lord. Therefore, the petitioner approached the authority by filing representation, and the authority has not responded. Therefore, the petitioner approached again the Honorable Guwahati High Court, but the Honorable Guwahati High Court disposed of the petition, directing the petitioner to approach the liquidator by filing his representation individual claims. Accordingly, the liquidator has rejected the prayer, and hence the petitioner before your lordship. In other prayer, my lord, the petitioner prayed for the house rent allowance and medical allowances, which has already been given to other persons who have been given VRS benefit under other PSUs, my lord.
Who are appealing?
I am appearing for the Corporation Department, your lordship. Our affidavit in opposition is already on record, your lordship. Now, on the earlier occasion, your lordship, last date, your lordship had made a specific query. If may I bring your lordship to Annexure G, page 33 of my affidavit in opposition, your lordship.
1 minute.
Page 33, Annexure G of my affidavit in opposition.
Page 33.
Yes.
Page 33 is the writ petition only. Running page.
94. 94, your lordship. 94. Let last occasion, the learned friend supposed to bring before the court that whether there is any Central Wage Board 4 or not. Yes. Also, Central Wage Board 4 has not been adopted by the Government of Assam, your lordship. Now, either the petitioner will get the benefit as per Central Wage Board 3 or as per the ROP of 1998. But to that effect, your lordship, there is a notification which has been passed by the Public Enterprise Department way back in 31st October 2009, whereby it has been clearly mentioned that the petitioners are not entitled to get the benefit as per ROP 1998, your lordship. And that's why the VRS benefit has been.
Where is that?
Lordship, exactly, actually a similar order has been passed in WPC 4355/2010 of this honorable court, whereby it has been mentioned, it has been reflected regarding that particular letter. I have the copy of the order, but I don't
want to see that order.
Lordship, that particular letter is not, presently it's not with me, your lordship. Otherwise, I have the reference of that particular letter.
The references are
Yes,
different.
Lord.
We have to
Yes.
go to the letter, isn't it?
Yes.
Is a letter or an order?
It's a order, your lordship, which has been, a decision has been taken by the Public Enterprise Department way back in the year 2009 itself, that the petitioners are not entitled to get any pay.
Okay, heard Mr.
M. Saikia, madam.
Cycle and the council for the petition. Mr. G. Godole,
Yes, G. Bod.
Understanding Council Corporation Department shall produce a copy of the
Letter,
order or letter.
order dated 31st October 2009,
31st October 2009, issued by the
Public Enterprise Department.
Public Enterprise Department, Assam.
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 We are appealing for respondent number 3.
Mr. A. Kalita, then A. Kalita, N. Kalita, then the Standing Council, Industries and Commerce.
No, Lordship, Kalita on behalf of A Kalita. Industries and Commerce.
Mr. N. Kalita, Legal Counsel, appearing on behalf of A. Kalita. Then the Standing Council, Industries and Commerce represents respondent number 3. When do you want?
Lordship, after a week.
List on 4th April.
Oblige jealousy. 51.
Lordship, may kindly allow me 3 weeks time to file affidavit.
I have been denied from promotion, madam. My contemporaries were promoted twice, but I have been denied. So matter is a little urgent.
Heard Mr. M. E. Mahmood, then counsel for the petitioner. On request made by MS D. Bora, then the Standing Council,
Health Department,
Health Department. How much time?
3 weeks time.
2 weeks time is enough to file complaint.
No further date, Mikhail.
We'll see.
Oblige.
38 of daily list order.
Made Page Lordship. My lord, I am retired from service on 39/2018. Thereafter, I approached this honorable court. This honorable court on 13/3/2020 passed the order at page 19 with a direction of respondents to finalize my pensionary dues. Page 19, para 11, my lord.
In fact, Lordship, the pension proposal is before the AG, Lordship. We have already forwarded to the AG. And we are also pursuing the matter, Lordship. Lordship, I think the matter after 3 weeks, Lordship, in the meantime.
Someone retires in 2018 and you're still.
There was the Lordship, some proceedings before the.
My lord, a proposal was sent to AG. That submission was made on last occasion, my lord, on 27/9/2020.
AG is not a party here, Lordship.
My lord, the
We are
direction is
pursuing,
to
Lordship.
finalize, my lord. I know they're
We have
using
sent
the
all the
matters,
pencil proposals
but
to the
from
AG
September,
for
my
their
lord.
disposal, Lordship.
From
Lordship,
September, today we are in mid of March. What
we have forwarded all pencil proposals to the AG for their disposal, Lordship.
AG is a party?
Not a
AG
party.
is a party in a writ petition, my lord. In this contempt petition, they are not party.
In the writ petition?
Writ petition, they are party, my lord. Respondent number 3.
Why not you implement them?
Yes, my lord, if lordship allows us, then we can.
No, I cannot allow you. You'll have to make an application.
My lord.
Because that would make things faster.
My lord, my lord.
You hear they're saying they forwarded to AG in September.
Lordship, Lordship.
September 2023.
Yes, yes, my lord.
October, November, December, January, February, March.
In
6
fact,
months.
Lordship,
gone by.
our authorities are pursuing the matter before the AG also, Lordship. Now, Lordship.
Let them come.
Yes, my lord. If they produce any communication from September to till today, their periods are pursuing, I know that, but my lord, there is no.
Where the communication?
Lordship, communication means, Lordship, by visiting.
That will not do, Mr. Umadia. This
Lordship may fix the matter after 3 weeks, Lordship. In the meantime, Lordship, probably, Lordship, the matter would be disposed of.
Before Bihu, my lord, before Bihu.
Before view, Lordship, may fix it. Because, Lordship, as per my instruction, Lordship, the AG has conveyed to the department, Lordship, he is shortly there, dispute later.
But Mr. Adam Deka, counsel for the petition. Mr. N. Obadia, counsel for the respondents.
One single respondent.
1 and 2, I think. 1 and 2.
Respondents in the irrigation department.
The Rakesh Kumar and Deepak Mohanto.
Both are, Lordship, not in the post now, Lordship. This is another point. They both respond now 1 and 2. 1 has been, Lordship, transferred to another department. 2 has been already retired, Lordship.
Then I think you have to make some independent party.
My lord. I'll file an application for implement of the AG authorities.
Plus
And,
this
and
one
if
is-
my lord will furnish me in his, my
will
my
furnish
learned
the
friend
names.
furnish the names.
Okay, then you cancel the order. Mr. Aram Dekal and the council for petitioner. Place for one week time,
1 week time, madam.
place for a week's time. To enable him to file an application. For implement of parties. Please up to 1 week.
Mine, I'm deeply obliged.
How like that? 39.
My lord, Mr. D. Nath was supposed to apprise this court regarding the status, my lord. Subsistence allowance has not been paid.
Dina. Hold it.
Lords.
41.
May I please, Lordship?
Hmm.
Lordship, kindly see, Lordship, order dated 2nd of February, Lordship. Respondent, Lordship, submitted they are processing, Lordship, but till today, nothing has been done, Lordship.
Finance is a party.
No, Lordship. Lordship, this order is to be complied by the Director, Lordship.
In the writ petition, finance was a party or not?
No, Lordship.
Huh?
Not, Lordship. Because Lordship, a confirmation is to be made by the Lordship, Director of Land Record, Lordship, respondent number 3, Lordship, in the writ petition, Lordship.
Yes, who appraised?
Lordship, earlier, Lordship, Mr. Barpujari appeared, Lordship, Lordship, but they have filed affidavit also, Lordship. In their affidavit, Lordship, a peculiar stand was taken by the Lordship. This is the Lordship, in the face of the record, this is a contempt, Lordship. Kindly see, Lordship, their affidavit, paragraph 4, Lordship. They declined to comply, Lordship. Otherwise, Lordship. And my lord,
You bring it, you.
Lordship.
And you beg in 5 minutes.
Lordship.
Oh.
This matter may be what timing, Lordship, I party 41, Lordship.
Okay. Okay, sir.
I-
Yes.
Our name is not showing in this first list.
No, Lordship, no name is showing, Lordship.
He not is, he did not. is-
41. 41. 41, Lordship. I informed Lordship, I have already.
42.
May it please your lordship. Here, my lord, I am appearing for the respondent number 2, my lord. There is a direction from this honorable court to place the matter before the SLC and to reconsider his case as per clause 15. His matter was placed before the SLC, my lord. His, while SLC did 6/12/2023, the case of the petitioner was placed before the SLC. And but SLC has further directed to the department to take over the matter with the other administrative department regarding clause 15. Regarding that instruction, lordship, some of the department has sent nil report. And 2-3 departments still instruction is awaited, whether they are in their department is there any vacancy. So time may be granted to us. If there is vacancy, then he will get appointment. If there is no vacancy, then his case. Yes.
What, mister?
ये मतलब
A monthly learned council for the petition. MSMD Bora, learned council,
For 2, my lord.
learned council, applying. to
Respondent number
respond
two.
number 2, submits. 1 minute. Submits that the petition, that the case of the petitioner was placed before the state level committee on 16/12/2023 and recommended the case of the petitioner with the direction to the Transport Department to obtain available vacancy position of grade 3 post from other administrative departments. So she accordingly prays for another 2 weeks time.
Lordship, 4 weeks may be granted. In the meantime, if there is vacancy, he will be appointed. If there is no vacancy,
3 weeks time to enable her to obtain instructions as to whether any vacancy is available in other departments.
other departments.
Praise the Lord. List on 24th April.
Lordship.
Mr. A. Das, then we consider place for this.
Deeply obliged.
Published.
Lordship, may I get with the instruction?
39.
Yeah, please, Lordship. In the process, our name is not showing.
Who's your name?
Mr. Jina.
They're
39.
saying their name is not showing in the cause list. That may be reflected, my lord.
What, Mr.
T. Chakravarti.
Then it counsel for the petition. Registry is directed to reflect the name of Mr. D. Nath. Then it counsel for the respondent.
Respondents. 1 and 2.
For the respondent 1 and 2 and list the matter again after 1 week.
A date may be fixed, my lord.
List the matter again on 3rd April.
Part of it. And deeply obliged.
43.
Lordship, in this case, your lordship, the petitioner approached before this honorable court for non-recommendation of the name of the petitioner despite recommendation made by the Guwahati University.
Why is it coming for orders?
Lordship, this is come for orders because nothing has come from respondent. No affidavit has been filed because
No,
the
it should come for.
lordship and another submission is here, your lordship. Similar situation person also appeared before this honorable court. And this is pending also, wherein the honorable court has granted interim order directing to the authority to keep remain the
Not
post
in
vacant
the
against
legal
which the
college.
recommendation has been made. I made space similar order, your lordship.
For case for DMC. Yes.
I am appearing on behalf of Social Justice Department. We don't have any role in this matter.
Who have placed for the other respondent?
Your lordship, on behalf of
Guwahati
University, your lordship,
Guwahati University.
on behalf of standing council.
PG Pugad. Yes, what do you want?
Lordship, the exam has already been conducted, so it is not up to us.
Who's the main respondent?
Lordship is the health department.
Health.
Lordship. University has already recommended the name after declaring the merit list. Lordship will find page $109. This is the merit list, your lordship. The university has declared against the hearing impairment. I am the category of that category, your lordship. And my name appeared at page number 111 of lordship, page 111, serial number 94.
Which item?
Serial number 94. This is my rule number, and I was recommended against the Soil Conservation Department a lot.
Then what happened?
Lordship, then medical, they have conducted the medical because I have the bench mark disability, Your Lordship. Despite having the disability, they said they have initially no Lordship medical has conducted, but I have not been declared as a fit. And subsequently, I have conducted the medical as per my own, Your Lordship. Lordship will find page 9, Your Lordship.
Yes,
Lordship, there were similar matters, Lordship, disposed of, Lordship. And this were disposed of in compliance of an Lordship, OM, Lordship, dated 21/5.
that's a different thing.
Lordship.
In that case, you conducted the medical
Yes, Lordship.
examination.
Yes, yes.
Correct.
Yes.
Here, the petitioner did his own examination, correct?
Lordship.
You did not do it.
Lordship. Actually, Lordship, these matters are handled by Mr. DP Bora, Lordship.
Where is DP Bora?
Lordship, due to sudden death of his relative, he has to leave, Lordship. So, Lordship, can this matter be taken up day after tomorrow, Lordship? All these matters, Lordship. Because he is handling, Lordship, he will have the instruction.
Lordship, I praise the order, Your Lordship, which I have already. Lordship, that may be considered, Your Lordship, because similar, all are similar.
What, Mr.
L. Mohan.
L. Mohan.
L. Mohan, Lordship.
Then counsel for petitioner. Request made on behalf of Mr.
DP
DP Bora. Then Standing Council Health Department, list the matter on when?
Lordship. On Lordship, 21st, Lordship.
Lordship, the post against which I have been recommended, that should not be filled up, Lordship.
That will see on the next day.
Lordship.
Highly.
Item,
43 to 40.
43 to 47, Your Lordship.
all separate orders.
21.
41.
All like those.
Yes, Barbujari.
Yes, my lord, here, my lord, I am appearing for the sole contemner. My lord, this is, the issue is with regard to, my lord, release of pensionary benefits, my lord, to the petitioner. Now, my lord, the order passed by the Read Court was a consent order. But the difficulty was that, my lord, finance department was not added as a party respondent. Now, the views of the finance department have to be taken. In the meantime, my lord, on the last order, Lord, people kindly see, my lord, I have made a statement before this honorable court, my lord, that the matter is now being processed with the finance department. Now, I have received oral instructions just, my lord, today morning, that the views of the finance department has been received, my lord, day before yesterday, my lord. Now, my lord, it is at the final stage, my lord. Lordship will kindly accommodate me for 3 weeks, my lord. Everything will be released. Now, the contender is to, my lord, make communication to the accountant general. Accountant general, and he will do the needful, my lord, for release of all the, my lord, benefits. It is at the final stage.
But
Lordship
Mr.
can-
D. Malagar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Mr. R. Barbujari, Learned Counsel for the sole respondent submits that the views of the finance department has been received and the respondent is taking up steps for implementation of the directions passed by this court.
My lord, my lord.
Stop. He therefore prays for how much time?
My lord, Lordship will kindly accommodate me for 3 weeks time, my lord, maximum period, my lord.
3 weeks time. To enable him to receive instructions. Please stop for 3 weeks.
Lordship, if possible, Lordship, date may be fixed, Lordship.
Okay, this list on. Okay. 18th.
18th of April, Lordship.
19th.
19th of April, my lord. I am so obliged, my lord.
48.
May I be? This review petition, my lord, against the order dated 3/8/2022, page number 25, my lord.
Which number?
25, 11% starts 26, my lord. Whatever, my lord, while deciding the, my lord, issue with regard to the in charge for headmaster of the high school, my lord, your lordship, in the paragraph number 3, has held that I was respondent number 4, this is the review petitioner hereof, was not having the graduate scale of pay and only having the intermediate scale of pay, my lord.
Where that?
Page 26, paragraph 3, my lord. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner has been receiving graduate scale of pay since 1991, and he is the senior most assistant teacher. However, the respondent number 4 is only enjoying intermediate scale of pay. Therefore, the Director of Secondary Education Assam has committed illegality in allowing the respondent number 4 to hold the charge of the superintendent, my headmaster, my lord. And therefore, my lord, this honorable court has interfered and it is cancelled. Cancelled. Actually, my lord, he could not, page number 29, my lord. This is the fixation of the salary of the review petitioner at graduate scale of pay. That fact was not available, my lord, on that day while deciding the case, my lord. That he was having the graduate scale of pay, that was not available for this honorable court, my lord, on that day. So notice may go, my lord.
Why is it coming for order then?
A review petition, my lord.
Oh, the review.
Review petition, that's why it's order.
Okay, had be protested and review petition. Issue notice. You happening?
And for your
Secondary edition, ma'am.
secondary education, your lordship, respondent 1, 2,
3, my lord.
3.
MS.
Pidas.
P Das, then it's Standing Council Secretary Education appears for the respondents.
1 to 3.
2 and 3.
3. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the respondent number 4 by registered post dating within 1 week.
Extra copy may serve.
Yes. After 4 weeks.
Uh,
Finish for extra copies.
Yes, my lord, the petitioner is acting as the academic in charge of the school.
No,
my
I'm
lord.
not saying anything. now.
Yeah.
Status question today, my lord.
No, your lordship, let the notice be.
Let it come.
49.
49 is my lord, I am the petitioner.
Oh.
In this case, my lord, ONGC is the respondent, my lord. As per law, my lord, so SS Roy was accepting the central government. On behalf of the central government, he has accepted the notice. And the rest of the respondents have been served, and the as per Luajama report, my lord, that is delivered. Luajama court order is there yesterday. The day before yesterday, last day. Not yesterday, it's Friday order, my lord.
Who are these respondents?
After the my lord retirement, the petitioner has been dismissed from service. After the retirement, he has been given retirement honor with all benefit, my lord, and he has been thereafter dismissed from service with the condition that he will not be eligible for applying for future employment. That is.
Who have for the ONGC?
ONGC, they have to respond, my lord. They have no standing counsel. Their notices are served. Thereafter, my lord, they engage the advocate from the panel. And apart from that, my lord, SS Roy has received the my lord, notice. His name may be shown. I think.
His name is shown.
Nation. But he is not.
Who is SS Roy?
Okay.
What you called him?
I told him, I told my learned friend to call him, my lord.
Please continue.
Sorry, Lordship. Lordship, ONGC is the main party, Lordship.
Who appears for ONGC?
I appear for 1, 3, 4. I am for the formal parties, 1, 3, 4, 6, 7. The main.
No, it is a little late.
ONGC is-
It is only- It has got it. It will be lovely.
Can you take substitute service
So whom, my lord?
on the respondents 2, 5, 9, and 10? 10, 11.
No, no. But not me.
I've taken the, my lord, steps for registered post. They are panel advocate, my lord, sir. So I might request one of them, my lord.
Standing
No, no.
council is.
They have, I think they have a standing council.
Yes,
though.
Lordship. MK Chowd, MK Chowd.
ONGC has no standing council.
Flower.
They are Oil India. Oil India. ONGC has no standing council, my lord. They are panel advocate. They are,
Can
and
you take substitute service?
yes, then I have to. Already registered post service
No, that is fine.
delivered.
You take substitute service, be very sure. Because they are the main respondents and when they are not appearing, nothing can be done.
Yes.
Okay. Mr. B. Prakash, tell the advocate. Also for the petitioners. Praise for taking steps for service of notice on
So,
responding.
usual course, my lord, it will be better. So the court process.
No, 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 not dusty. Substitute.
Substitute.
Notice in the newspaper.
Newspaper.
On the respondents 5, 9, on the respondents 2, 2, 5, 9, 10 and 11 by substituted service. Praise the Lord. The petitioner shall post service of notice on the respondents 2, 5, 9, 10 and 11 by publishing the notice in 2 local newspapers. Within bracket, 1 in English and 1 in vernacular, having wide circulation in the state of Assam. Showing the returnable data.
After, my lord, in the first week of May, my lord, and it will take some time. Processing time will be.
6th of May. 6th of May. Draft. Petition shall file in the list on 6th. This one. Follow.
Affidavit has been filed, Lordship. Affidavit has been filed, Lordship.
What's happening here?
Commissioner, Lordship. Deva Sharma and Shyam, Lordship.
Only one affidavit will do?
Lordship. It is filed by the respondent number, Lordship.
4.
Four, Lordship.
Deputy Commissioner Lakhimpur.
Lordship, he is the competent authority, Lordship. He is the competent authority. This way it is. Lordship. Against this, Lordship, he has not filed a reply, Lordship.
Where's D Sharma?
Fundamental, Lordship, after fixed it after 1 week, Lordship.
On your request?
No, Lordship. My affidavit is ready, Lordship.
None appears for the petitioner. Yes.
Yes, sir, Lordship, my senior is still on legs. Kindly give me a date.
Okay, okay,
Short date
cancel.
maybe you can give.
On the
please.
press made on behalf of Mr. D Sharma, then it also. This on when?
On 1920. Friday, next Friday.
Next Friday is a holiday.
Okay, then Thursday, your Lordship, 21.
2nd April.
Second, oblast, your Lordship.
God bless.